make una come hear story oh. Make una come see single mother when he cut him pikin banana. He don't cut him pikin banana just because say he no see banana do again, just because say the man don't drive van. Now he don't cut the pikin banana. Now beat the pikin. He go dey send the video, go dey give the papa, my correct people. Make una come listen to wetin some stupid single mother dey do their own children just because say they no see banana do, my correct people. How una see this matter? Make we watch this video together. Hello everyone. Hello people. How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Depends where you are watching from. Yes, so it's me, Mama Didi Canada TV show. I salute you all. Thank you all for always watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate everyone. Yes, so my correct people, I don't show again as they be before. Yes, so this topic today when I carry come is about mother and is about single mother and her home pikin. And I go dey play some audio for una, make una dey listen, make una see how some parents take wicked, how they punish their own child just because of banana. My correct people. Just because say he and the father not dey again, he can't do this kind of thing to this little boy, which me, Mama Didi, I condemn. I don't know why some women that they pour their own anger for their own pikin body. I don't know why. I don't do this video so many times. I don't talk on for my YouTube channel. Say, if maybe say you and your boyfriend or you and your husband get wahala, that is the time that you will love your children most. And at that time, you go see some mother, and at that time, they go hate their children. When they go, they curse the pikin, they go, they curse their father. It's very bad. That is the time you will love your child so much. Now, that time you go draw your pikin near body very well, my correct people. This all matter when it comes. So, I get the audio to play for now. Now, about this, now one lady like that, this lady, he almost cut his pikin banana. The banana, if una see am, if not be say YouTube, and if maybe say you need them, I beg, inbox me, make I send them for you. Make una see as the pikin banana come lege, the thing one cut come out. The woman carry knife, he cut the pikin banana, my correct people. As we dey talk so, fear not let the woman carry the pikin go hospital, because he know say if he carry am go hospital, they go ask her how manage knife take reach banana, my correct people. If una see the banana, it dey shake, it wan fall comot. So my correct people, now she dey try to dey treat the banana for house. This matter when I carry come for una so, my people, not be small thing oh. As I dey talk to una so, the boyfriend, when this woman do this thing, after he don't cut this baby banana, now so he send am go give the papa, say see wetin he go in dey do, say he wan make sure say he kpeme that pikin before he go rest, just because say the man tell am say he no want again, make he carry his wahala they go. I don't know wetin they do some women. I don't know where wetin they really they do them. Like if man tell you say he no want you again, go come change to another thing. Una go come they beat the pikin, put say now the pikin na cause the whole thing where the man take leave you. So my correct people, why I bring this matter? Because I be mother, and the way this woman take treat this pikin na very bad thing. As I said just now, I will play some audio for una. Make una listen. Make una hear how this woman take do all this thing to this small pikin, my correct people. I go play the audio, make una dey listen. Never finish. Now, yeah, it never finish. Oh. Now, see wetin mother just because say the man leave am, he can't put all the whole annoyance. He can't put am for that pikin. Now the papa they talk so.
Woman they do to her whole son, you know, because of another boy or whatsoever. I don't care. My mama Nelly they beat Nelly, so they beat my boy.
Now papa they talk so.
Please do. Now only when she do all those kind of things.
Exactly.
But please do. Now mistake when I make with that, and I'm about to correct it. Please do.
Now yeah, now papa now they talk so. I get the video here, my correct people, because of Facebook. I not go fish one for now how we take cut the banana, my correct people, and the audio I go see play another one for now. If you now see the banana, if you now need the video, make una inbox me. Mama Didi go send that come for now. I get her. Make una dey listen. But mona if you egbe. What if you egbe? What if you egbe? Wetin this pikin can't do to this woman? Abeg make una put her for my comment section. Wetin this woman, this pikin can't do to this, whether na this pikin force this woman to bring it come this life. My sister, abeg sit down make you watch this video. The advice when I want give you, and you now, you don't already put yourself for problem. My advice for you, my sister. You see, when you are man no dey again, it goes around though, not only you one. When you are man no dey again, if maybe say the man get wetin do you, no put that anger for that pikin body. I don't fit talk this thing for my channel. It get one woman that time when I did Nigeria. This woman, he and the husband not dey again. Now quarrel, they quarrel. Everybody can't go his own way. The same thing where this woman they do, so now that one can't they do that time. He not cut the pikin banana for that one. That one na beat. As they beat the pikin, he go they curse the papa journal. One day now I see her and I say, my sister, what did they happen? He say, man, no money, papa. Now so before you know it, all they curse the papa. Now no I they be now. Now call carry and sit down. Call tell her say, my sister, come. You see this thing where they pass through so. Not be only you want they pass through. A lot of people they pass through. And if you say me you continue the way you take they do, you will destroy that child life and you will regret it. God forbid anything happen to this pikin. I don't think you yourself will be happy that the pikin where you carry for belle for 9 months say something can't do that pikin. I don't think you will forgive yourself. You know, so now I can't tell this woman, I can't talk to her. I can't tell her, say, come my sister. If maybe say this your man do you anything, this is the good time where you want carry your pikin. You go draw near body well. This will not be the time where you go they beat your pikin just because of wetin this man do to you. I can't tell her, say, come now this time you supposed to show your pikin love well. If you can't they do this one, it's not good. I said this is the best time for you to show love to this pikin, because anything where the man do, he not suppose make you go they use that thing against your pikin. Are you watching this video today? Your man do you something, you are using that thing against your child. My sister, you are wasting your time. You are disgracing yourself. It's not good. Don't do it again. That is the time you will show love to your own children. That is the time you will be prayerful. Say, God, if this man not my home, God, let him come back. If this man not be my home, I beg make it they waka they go. All these small girls where they never reach to born, una go carry pikin. If una say as this pikin fine, my correct people, this pikin too fine. Where this woman they do like this, just because banana, just because say the man comot no more banana again. Igbena wakai. He just starts when they pour all your whole anger upon these children, upon this pikin. Only one boy pikin when he born. My correct people. He do and finish. He not just he video run. He send and go give his papa. My brother, you see those evidence. I not say you be father. You know, if me, well, you know, you cannot say, okay, because that let me give my pikin to children this thing. And those people, if they see and they not go give you the father, they go collect the pikin. You understand? I think that's the reason why the boy no make attend. That's why he carry and on social media say, make people talk into this matter. The way this girl they treat his home pikin, whether not very good thing. Hey, oh, my sister, you dey watch this video today. You dey do this thing, not do am again. If maybe say you and your man not dey again, this is the best time for you to love your children. You let your children be your first lover. As far as say no lover again. My sister, this thing where you do so, where you do so, now very, very bad thing. And if you continue like this, you go put yourself for problem. Yes, because if you go beat that pikin, hit am where you not supposed hit am. What you say make it happen that time? I wish you say make people take the look you. Does that show a good responsible woman that you are? And if you look that pikin body, this woman they bleach this pikin. You know they use baby cream for her. That's why I say I not fit show her for this my video. I not go fit show her, my people. Now only these boys I go fit play for now. Make una they listen. Make una see how woman they beat the pikin. They beat the pikin just because of banana. My correct people. How can you call yourself a woman when you don't carry pikin for 9 months? You go come say you don't bring her on this war. One man betrays you. You go put the anger. You will put the anger on top of that pikin. If not be small thing, if not be say na small pikin, I for sure na the video. Make una see as this girl who cut this pikin banana. The banana I can't do like this. It won't follow. He don't cut. He cut her well. He cut the banana well. If una see am.
You guys can imagine.
If una see am.
Woman they do to her whole son. You know, because of another boy. Whatsoever, I don't care.
It's very bad.
Mama Nelly they beat Nelly, so
it's very bad.
Please dinner.
What money is it worth?
What did that pikin do? But please now mistake when
what did that pikin do to you, my sister?
And I'm about to correct it.
My brother, you were about to correct it. No carry and go, because the police see this thing, they go collect the pikin from her. They go say she's not called to be a mother, and you go lose that pikin. How now fit do this thing? See my people. See. Now see. Now I show so. The pikin banana. No because banana. Banana don't tell to another thing to you. Una was zenyawi okana. What is you egbe? You see a woman me banana uwa. You see a woman me banana uwa. You who where you both me aniria. They say some single mother they are decent. But you are not decent. You are pouring the anger. What did the man do to you? You are pouring it on top of your son. How can you do that? It's very bad. You don't even feel say, this pikin I carry am for 9 months. I can't born her. You don't even think am. You are just giving it to him. You are recording him. You send and go give it papa. If this man, I don't think this woman like this pikin. No. If this man, the way he send and go give this man come send and go give police. Police can't collect this pikin. Children's service can't collect this pikin. What are you going to say, my sister?
I'm about to correct it.
It's very bad. If man say man no want una again, make una try to show that love to una own pikin. Make una know they beat una pikin for wetin they don't know anything about. It's very bad. It's very bad, my sister. It's very bad. Change your way. If you not change your way, now so you go sit down, they'll come knock for your door, collect the pikin from you. Now when they go collect and your hair go neat, you'll say, which kind of life I can't do? You can't be a day fiagbon. Now that time you call they look for man where go. Now so man go they use you, they dump you, they go. And so it go be now. Because now that pikin way dey your hand, now be the more respect way dey your hand right now. Because when the pikin come on for your hand now, they go use you till they play ball. Eh? Why una be like this? Una just forget the labor when una labor. I be the day when una dey born the pikin, not the pepper una. The thing not the pepper una. Una not dey feel the pain. The pikin just come out like that. Una not dey feel the pregnancy symptom like 1 month to 4 months. When you dey spit, you dey vomit, you dey cry, they do everything, you not feel it. Una not dey feel am. Una not dey feel am. My people. So now be the thing when I carry come today. I can't let una know say, you see all this kind of thing where they happen, so it not supposed they happen. I don't know why some women they heartless. They don't care about their children. They care about their self. They care about that man. They care about that banana where they want they get. They don't care about their children. They don't even take care of their children. This woman now they bleach this pikin, this small pikin, they bleach her. If una see hand, una go see say this pikin they bleach this pikin. His face and the body not be the same. My sisters, are you watching this video today? You are doing that. If your husband do you something, you go pour the anger on top of your pikin. It's not a good thing. No. It's not a good sign. And it's not a solution for you. It will not heal your wound. It will only make you have more problem, more injury. You go have more injury. Because if we go heal that pikin where you not supposed it and your eye go come open, you come surprise say they don't put you for prison for 20 years or 10 years. Please, you people should take good care of your children. Forget man or dey, man or dey. Make una forget. Make una let una children be una first priority. Make una dey take care of una children well. Make people dey see and dey love. Say, oh my God, who no get pikin go wan born. Who say he no wan born before he go born when he go see una children. Make una try to dey take care of una children. Una no dey let all this because of banana go dey make una go dey hit una children where una not suppose hit am. Abeg, make if maybe say una husband do una anything, una boyfriend do una anything, na that time una go love una children back. Make una not dey put those anger on top of una children pikin. I use God beg una. So my correct people, now be the matter when I carry come today. And if you know say you never first subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Didi Canada TV show, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, she will be the first to notify. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Do not forget to follow me on my page, Mama Didi Canada TV show. And whenever you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you on that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. I love you all. May God continue to bless you all. See you all. Bye.